So we'll see what I can hit in the rain. Oh yeah, I'm hydroplaning already. Man. We'll see. Nobody coming? Whew, see if I can even hit the... Oh, no. Oh, I'm sliding out already. Okay, I'm gonna have to accelerate really slow because the water. Oh yeah, I'm hydroplaning like crazy. Yeah. Oh gosh. Woo.
Yeah. Oh gosh. Woo.
I don't know if you got that on camera. I hydroplane like crazy. Oh no. Well, we'll see. Let me cross the road. See if there's any damage. Oh man, woo! And I lost the GPS speedometer. Battery's disconnected. See if the GPS is nearby. Maybe I can scan it. Hopefully it didn't fall into that water. I don't see it. Let's see, GPS would have been... Oh, did I pick up anything? Where did I go off the road? Right there. Oh, here we go. Stop, read. 98 miles an hour in the rain. That's actually pretty impressive. Now to find the GPS device, where is it?